Removable dentures can be the best option to replace teeth in a number of situations when fixed solutions are not possible or advisable. They are designed with your thoughts and wishes in mind to make them as functional and as natural looking as possible. Making good dentures is difficult. Inherently, they sit on soft gums and we expect them to work like fixed teeth. Making good dentures for a patient is as much an art form as it is a technical process. Having an eye for detail and a passion to deliver high quality treatment means I thoroughly enjoy the process, and I work with the very best dental technicians to deliver the high quality dentures you would expect from a specialist. Every stage of denture making is incredibly important to the overall outcome and stability of the denture. Sometimes we may even need to repeat a stage to confirm we are heading in the right direction. It usually takes 6 appointments, with additional appointments required to review how you're getting on with the new device. Dentures I make are either made from metal and acrylic or acrylic alone. Every case is reviewed on its relative merits, and we will discuss the options and materials available before we make your new denture. Patient involvement is critical. The patient is involved at every stage as we construct the denture. Patient feedback in relation to comfort, how the denture feels, as well as the aesthetics, is important at each of the design stages.